Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Today I'm back with another sort of information. First I want to give a disclaimer that this is only an information video. For managing your finances, for investing, for anything, you have to consult your financial advisor first or your tax advisor first. It's a general sort of information and it does not suit everyone. Now we are coming back to our topic that today I am giving you information about tracking your expenses. When it comes to expenses, normally we do not have a record that what we are expensing out and what we are doing it and how we are doing it. So it is very important for you to track your expenses. In money terms, investing is important. In the same way, tracking out your expenses, cutting down your expenses is also very important. So for managing finances, you first have to keep a small diary with you, or in your mobile section you should write a note with every expense you do. Like if you are buying a single penny thing, you have to write it down in your notes that what you have expensed out. Now how would it help for you? When it comes 1 month pass for you, you will just need to sit and review your expenses and mark it as would it be important for you to do this, to expenses out or to buy XYZ things, or would it not. So it will first give you this kind of information. With the passage of time, when you put in 3 to 4 months, you will have a complete data of your expenses, like what you expense it out in winter, what you expense it out in summer, what you have bought, what you have not. When you classify your expenses, you will come to know that what would be the importance of it. And in the same way, when you think over it, I am giving an example. In the 4 months you have bought 12 shirts. You go for the shopping with your friends, you go for the shopping with your colleagues, and you bought a shirt. It's just because you have a shirt in your wardrobe, but you just find it out very good and you have just bought it. And after these 12 shirts were not the need for you. Maybe 6 were sufficient for you, maybe 8 were sufficient for you. So you will come to know that you have expensed it out more. Now in the next run, when you go for the shopping, you will have kept in mind that you have 4 shirts already with you which were the excess over your need. So when you know that it is excess over your need, you will definitely do not buy a shirt and do not expense it out. So keep in mind that tracking expenses is very important. It is as much important as investing, because if you come to know that you get disciplined in your expenses, you will come to know that you are a good personal finance manager for your own self. So keep investing, keep doing expenses which are good for you, which are need for you. Always differentiate between need and your wants. The need is a different thing, want is a different thing. The need is that I need a vehicle to go for the office, but what is the want? I need a Mercedes to go for the office. So keep it differentiated, that what is need and what is want. Do not follow the undisciplined steps that give you a burden of financial debt for you. So information video for you to invest and to cut your expense, to track your expense, to have a healthy future in your life. Good luck. Thank you.